We're in Stanley in the Falkland Islands. And if you watched part one, we ended up in the whale arch statue. Well, almost in it. Accidentally shut it off. This is the Christchurch Cathedral. Look way up there. It's got a clock with the right time. So let's walk in here real quick.
Hello, welcome.
Hi. This must be Kids Corner.
Yeah.
So lots of stained glass. Notice it's brick with a wood ceiling. Maybe cedar, pine. Not sure. It's a big pipe organ, painted too. Look, they even have a Janet. You don't see those every day. Well, unless you're me. And back outside. Let's go around here real quick. It's all covered with screen. I guess it's falling apart maybe, or in case it falls apart. So from the Christchurch Cathedral in Stanley, Falkland Islands, way down south, it's Janet and Gareth saying,
Like he said.
see you next port.
Bye.